We will discuss fifth chapter of BSc English, that is the open window, and we will discuss the MCQs about this lesson. A brief intro about this lesson is that this is a very enjoyable little story that tells us about a very superbly imaginative girl who could invent suspenseful stories at the shortest possible notice. And we will discuss the invented stories by this girl. And basically, he invented two type of imaginative stories in this lesson, and we discuss these stories in. The first question is, the open window is written by the writer's name is C. Option is the right one, that is H.H. Munro, and A and B note the right. Who are the central characters of the story? And all of the options are the right one. Vera, and B option is Mrs. Appleton, and C is Frampton Nuttall. All of these options are the central characters of the. And third question is, Vera was three options are given. B is the right one, and that is that her right age is 15 years old. She was 15. Fourth question is, Mr. Frampton Nuttall was. A is the right option. He was basically a neurotic person, and he was suffering mentally restless situation. So that was the reason he came to the Mrs. Frampton house to get some relief. And B and C are not the right option. Frampton Nuttall went to see. बेसिकली ही वेंट टू सी मिसिस एप्लेटोन एंड वीरा से वो मिलने नहीं गया था. वीरा वैसे वहाँ पे आ गई थी मिसिस एप्लेटोन के एब्सेंस में. तो बेसिकली द मेन जो पर्सन था जिसको वो मिलने गया था, दैट वाज मिसिस एप्लेटोन. Was basically B the right option, niece of Mrs. Appleton. A, C are not the right option, and B is which month is mentioned in the story? B is the right option. October is mentioned in the story. Vera told an invented tale to Frampton Nuttall that B is the right option. The today is the day of third death and anniversary of Mr. Appleton. And A जो उनसे उसमें second है वो that is not the right option. C में first है. Basically उसने कहा था कि this is the third death anniversary of Mr. Appleton. According to the invented tale of Vera, Mr. Appleton and brothers, B is the right option. They had disappeared in the marshes and never returned. And Vera ने invented story create की थी कि Mrs. Appleton and the brothers of Mrs. Appleton जो उनसे वो गए थे शिकार के लिए और वो marshes में disappear हो गए और कभी भी घर वापस नहीं आए. A and C are not the right option. 10th question is, which are the key points of the tale invented by Vera? All of the options are the right one, that Mr. Appleton and his brother had gone out for snipe shooting. They had disappeared in the marshes and never returned, and her aunt Mrs. Appleton kept the window open in the hope that one day they will return. All of the points are the right one, which were invented by Vera. What happened to Frampton after listening the story invented by Vera? And B is the right option. He became more nervous. And A and C are not the right option. 12th question is, what happened to Frampton when the shooting party was seen arriving? C is the right option. Frampton took them for the ghost and ran away. मतलब वो इतना परेशान हो गया कि वो तो वीरा की स्टोरी को ट्रू समझ रहा था कि वाकई वो उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है और आज उनकी थर्ड डेथ एनिवर्सरी है. बट जैसे ही उसने उनको आते हुए देखा तो इतना खौफजदा हो गया कि वो उसने समझा कि उनके भूत आ गए and he instantly ran away. The two young men who went with Mr. Appleton for snipe shooting were B is the right option, brother of Mrs. Appleton. Basically वो Mrs. Appleton के भाई थे, वो Mr. Appleton के भाई नहीं थे. Basically वो उसकी वाइफ के भाई थे. When Frampton ran away, what Vera invented about his strange behavior? Again, that point, Vera has invented another story that the Frampton ran away because he was afraid of the dog that accompanied the shooting party. मतलब उसको dog से बहुत डर लगता था इसलिए वो भाग गया. हालांकि इसके पीछे रीज़न कोई और थी. It was a second story invented by Vera. Question is, what are the key points of second story about strange behavior of Frampton invented by Vera? मतलब उसने second story में क्या क्या points mention किए? All of the options are the right one. That he was afraid of the dog that accompanied the shooting party, and B, that he was once hunted by dogs in India, and he saved his life by falling down in a newly dug grave in a cemetery, and D, that dogs barked all the night over his head. मतलब उसने बताया कि ये experience था उसका Frampton का, क्योंकि उसने वीरा से शेयर किया था, और यही वजह थी कि वो शूटिंग पार्टी के साथ जो डॉग आ रहा था उसको देख के फ़ौरन खौफज़दा होकर भाग गया. 16 question is, according to invented story of Vera, Frampton was once hunted by dogs on what was that place which was invented by Vera? C is the right option, on the bank of the Gangas in India. 17th question is, in the lesson what Ganga stand for? Basically C is the right option. Ganga stand for the sacred river of Hindus in India. Basically ये हिंदुओं के लिए एक मुकद्दस दरिया को गंगा कहा गया है. 18th question is, what precise function has the open window in the story? क्या इसने रोल प्ले किया open window ने? A is the right option. It serves as stimulus for Vera to invent the sad tale of the death of Mr. Stapleton, and मतलब ये open window की वजह से Vera में ये एक ख्याल पैदा हुआ कि वो एक Mr. Stapleton की डेथ की एक invented story क्रिएट करे और Frampton को तंग करने के लिए. According to story of Vera, Mr. Stapleton was wearing B is the right option, that is white waterproof coat. तो उसने अब सारा बताया उसको Frampton को, एक इन्वेंटेड स्टोरी उसमें से सारा बताया कि ये उसने हुलिया था उसका मिस्टर Frampton का शूटिंग उस पे शिकार पे जाने से पहले. 20th question is, the name of the youngest brother of Mrs. Stapleton was Ronnie. That B is the right option. The first question is, Vera told to Frampton that Ronnie sang a song. A is the right option. मतलब वो basically ये वाला song गाने का शौकीन था. That's Bertie, why do you bound? A is the right option. 22nd question is, what is the name of the dog in this lesson? Spaniel. C is the right option. His dog name was Spaniel. A, B, and B are not the right option. Third question is, what the term pariah means in the lesson. Basically it is used to represent a breed of dog. A is the right option. The color of the dog Spaniel was brown. Brown color is mentioned in the lesson, and that brown dog was with the shooting party. 25th question is, why Frampton went to meet Mrs. Stapleton? Basically उसके पीछे रीज़न क्या थी, सबसे बड़ा मोटिव क्या था कि Frampton, his sister gave him a letter of introduction to meet Mrs. Stapleton. जो Frampton की सिस्टर थी उसने उसको लेटर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था तो कि जाके वो मिसेस Stapleton से मिले. मतलब मिसेस जो Frampton की सिस्टर थी वो मिसेस Stapleton के घर रहती रही थी, वो उसे जानती थी, और उसने कहा कि Frampton को कि वो रिलैक्स करने मेंटली रिलैक्स करने के लिए इन एरियाज़ में जाए जहाँ पे उसमें से एक लेटर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन मिसेस Stapleton के घर का भी था. सो B is the right option. 26th question is, what Frampton knew about Mrs. Stapleton before meeting her? A is the right option, only her name and address. He did not know anything about Mrs. Stapleton except her name and address. और इसी वजह से वीरा को ये ख्याल आया कि जब वो उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता तो उसके बारे में उसने एक इन्वेंटेड स्टोरी क्रिएट की कि उसका हस्बैंड की डेथ हो चुकी है 3 साल पहले, आज उसकी डेथ एनिवर्सरी है. तो अगर वो जानता होता तो शायद वीरा एक इमेजिनेटिव स्टोरीज क्रिएट ना कर पाती. The window in the lesson was open on. B is the right option. The location of the window was that it was open on to a lawn. उसके आगे एक lawn था. Basically जो भी एक story को picturize किया गया उसके हिसाब से B is the right option. So give your feedback in the comment section below, and if you like my video you can share it and subscribe my channel as well.